He had the good engine. All right.
This is vintage brass from 1957.
You know, the speed limit in the yard there, Bill, is about 5 miles an hour.
Yeah. All right, here comes the railroad crossing.
Here we are, having a lot of fun. And this is our train club. We've been here since 1999 and we're having a lot of fun. We got real good members. They're all good people. We all get together Tuesdays and Thursdays and we all have a lot of fun. And we have one of the largest clubs, I think, in anywhere in Northern California. Again, Bill, one more time.
This is my little brass Berkshire. It's from 1957. In the Brown's Book of Brass Locomotives, it tells you a little bit about it. It's a beautiful little brass engine, heavily ballasted. It pulls more cars around here than anything else. It embarrasses the modern fancy stuff, but it's heavily ballasted with brass. I mean, with lead inside it. Beautiful little engine. Runs great. Great. Just a fun thing to have.